Hey everyone! If you've forgotten your Windows Logon password, don't worry. I'll guide you through resetting it using command prompt. Let's start. Click the power button, then press and hold the Shift key while clicking Restart. When the Choose an Options window appears, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. Enter the following command. Copy c:/Windows/System32/utilman.exe:/. Press Enter, then type Y and press Enter again when prompted. This copies a file. Enter the next command. Copy c:/Windows/System32/CMD.exe:/Windows/System32/utilman.x/y. Press Enter. This performs another file copy. Close the command prompt and click Continue. Click Ease of Access on the login screen. From the list of user accounts, choose the target user to reset, for example, Tech Globe. Type the command, net local group administrators, username/add. Press Enter. Then type netuser, username. Enter a new password as prompted, then confirm it. Once you see the command completed successfully, close command prompt. Enter the newly created password at the login prompt to access your account. To restore accessibility features, enter the command provided and press Enter. By following these steps, you've successfully reset your Windows Logon password. If this helped, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more useful content. See you in the next video.